Yogi Clan, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to Yogi's Cycle Service. We are here today because we lost the fender nut on this bike here. And if that's ever happened to you, you know how horrible that is for that to happen. So we are going to dig in on how to replace this fender nut right here. Part 5976897 from Harley Davidson. $2 and change. Simple fix. But there are two ways to do it. And one involves removing the rear wheel. We're not going to do that. So we're going to show you Plan B. If you are new here to Yogi's Cycle Service, I thank you for stopping by. I hope this video helps you out. I have a couple of these videos like this out there that show you how to do quick, easy, simple little repairs yourself. So check out my channel. If there are any things you have, I may have a video on it. If you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you stopping back here. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I ask you to mash on that subscription button and show a brother some love. So let's dig in. What happened? So this bike here, just put new apes on it, just put new riser bushings on it, just put a Legend suspension system in the front end. Adjusted the clutch, bled the brakes, and got everything ready to go. But when I was taking off this seat to replace the brake line, I was unscrewing the little thumb screw on the seat, to which then I heard bump, 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 clink, clink, as this piece, which broke off from that piece right there, fell off the tire and bounced onto the lift and onto the floor. So this just kind of disintegrated. I'm thinking, gosh, customer wants to go get the bike tomorrow, now I can't even get the seat to stay on. So when that happens, it leaves a little hole on the top of your fender, because this piece goes up inside it. This piece is usually on top of here, and there's a little plastic clip that holds onto it on top of the fender to keep this nut secured in your fender so you can put your little bolt in to hold your seat on. Well, without that there, if you got really skinny long arms, you might be able to reach up behind that fender and get up in there and put this piece back up and then put the clip back on. But let me tell you, that is not very easy. Not very easy. You need really skinny arms. And if you got a bike like this one that's lowered, it's pretty much an impossibility. So how the heck do you get that in there without taking the rear wheel off? That's the key. How do you do this without taking the rear wheel off? Well, if you've watched my most recent handlebar job video on how do I pull wire through videos, we're going to do much the same thing here. We're going to use dental floss, and we're going to cheat. So let's get the seat off. Let's get one of these bags off, and I'll show you how you do it Yogi style. Hang tight. All right, there you can see the hole. Here I have the paracord along with the dental floss that I used to pull wire through handlebars. I'm going to see if I can fit this whole knot and everything down into this hole here. Oh yeah. Alright, so we're going to run that down into that hole. Let's see where the string comes out. Here's the stringy. Where are you? We got it out on this side over here. So I'm going to pull the dental floss through. I'm going to pull this back up. Try to get that knot back up through the hole. There we go. Alright, knot's through the hole. Now we're just at dental floss. We got dental floss on this end here. So we're going to open up our package. So we have the top of it. We want to line it up like that, because this little tab here has got to come out where that is. This little tab has got to come out where this tab is. So it's going to take a few minutes of playing. So you're going to want to put the string down through the top, because we want it to be pulling out where the top is up. You're going to tie it off. You want to make sure that the nut is facing up. You're going to want to be like that, like you're going fishing. Alright? So you're going to just pull this stringy. You're going to put that up in your tire. And you're going to pull it up so it's just like that. And look at that. It popped right through. And then you take your little plastic clip and you put your plastic clip around it just like that. And boom, there you go. It's back. And then after you've gotten that out, and you can just take this, cut your dental floss, pull that little string out, and look at that. Boom, Yogi Clan, you're done. Now, you can put your seat bolt back in, no taking off the tire. So, how freaking awesome is that? 10 minutes. 10 minutes tops. And that took me spending 3 minutes trying to find my string. Dental floss and a little paracord. Feed it down through, tie it off, pull that nut right up in there, slip your clip on, done. Don't have to remove the rear wheel, and I know that this is a very common problem. Those nuts break, those little clips pop off, the little plastic clip pops off, gets lost all of the time. It's like $2.68 for a new one of those at the Harley dealer. It takes literally 5 minutes to put it on there. Easy, easy. So, since I know this is a fairly common fix, I hope it helps y'all. And if there's anything else you may need, leave it down in the comments below. Give me some feedback. Give me some love. I appreciate it. All right, y'all. Have an awesome week. Peace.